The Caspian Portfolio Management System, or PMS, is connected to the Caspian Order and Execution Management System and maintains a real-time, fully audited and exchange-reconciled book of records. It is possible to aggregate all of that data into real-time insights about holdings here across various exchanges, but other categories are available as well. In this example, in terms of indicators, I have chosen to look at my positions or balances, and then my exposures, net and gross, as well as my P&L across various time frames, like inception to date or year to date. The balances here are computed based on the book of records by the PMS, but will also include any realized P&L computed on margin instruments, like this one, as per the rules of each exchange. This should ensure a perfect match, but as an additional safety measure, Caspian reconciles the balance with the exchanges directly, and if there is any mismatch, it is possible to view it immediately. It is of course possible to add as many indicators as necessary to the view, based on the multiple columns available in Caspian. I can also, like here, change the time frame on any of those indicators, or also add formula columns which I can define based on my own methodology. Here I am creating a percentage of difference between the exchange balance and the balance computed by Caspian. In addition, I am adding a conditional formatting that will change the color of the cell if the difference exceeds 10%, like here. And as you can see, the cell is now highlighted. It is of course possible to create multiple views as multiple tabs. Here I am copying my original view into 3 additional tabs, which I rename according to my needs. And then I can go into the details of them to change, for example, the grouping or breakdown. Here I am creating a flat view, then a view grouped by asset class, then a view grouped by each of the underlying currencies themselves. And as you can see, when validated, I'll get my 3 additional views per currency here, per asset class in this one, and then a flat view in the last one. User-created workbooks, along with all their columns, can be shared with other users in the organization, and I can load workbooks that I created or have been shared with me. Caspian provides real-time APIs to export data into other systems, such as client Python programs or, like here, Excel. Here I am just creating a pivot table to show me my exposures per currency and per account in a 2-dimensional format. It is also, of course, possible to do many other analyses, as you can see here. The Caspian PMS really provides a centralized, customized window into all of your holdings.